Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Aave app, full guide step by step clearly. To install the Aave app, begin by opening your device's App Store. If you are using an iPhone, launch the App Store. For Android users, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Aave and press enter. Locate the official Aave app from the search results. Make sure it is developed by Aave companies. Once you find it, tap on the app to view its details. Then, click on the Install or Get button. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically. Wait for the installation to complete. After installation, locate the Aave app on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on the app icon to open it. You may be prompted to create a new account or log in. If you are a new user, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Provide necessary information like your email address and password. Confirm your email if prompted to do so. If you are an existing user, simply enter your login credentials. After logging in, take some time to familiarize yourself with the app interface. Explore the different features available, such as borrowing and lending options. Ensure your device is connected to the internet for optimal performance. Check for any updates to the app periodically in the App Store. By following these steps, you will successfully have the Aave app installed and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.